Today we are going to know how to draw a football pitch with Matplotlib. First of all, we are going to need to install a package. You are going to open your command line and then run pip install MplSoccer, and because I already installed it, so it is already satisfied, and then you are going to close the command line. First of all, we are going to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt and import from MplSoccer we import the pitch. Okay. Then we will initialize a pitch class, pitch object, and using that pitch object we are going to use a function called draw, and it returns two arguments, which are the figure and the axis. Fig size no. Okay, dot draw. Okay, this is the width and this is the height, so if we are going to do this, it will extend it, but I think there is a proportion. Okay, this is the most basic pitch. If you would like to create a vertical pitch, we are going to import vertical pitch from the same exact class and just do the exact same thing but with the vertical pitch. Okay. If you would like to create a pitch which is only the half of it, so if we're going to make a visualization of final third entries or penalty box touches, we are going to need this, and the only change we are going to do is to pass a argument with half to be true, and the same exact thing for the vertical pitch. Okay. To style the pitch, we are going to use other arguments such as pitch color to be, for example, a greenish color, and the line color, which is the center circle, the penalty box, and so on, to be white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it doesn't accept this, which is kind of weird. If I did this, okay, white. Oh, just okay. And if you'd like to get the vintage striped pitch, we are going to just pass the argument of stripe color with a value of this C2D59. This isn't working. Why is that? Oh, we have to pass the stripe argument to be true because it's an optional argument which is defaulted to true to false. I think this covers the basics of drawing a pitch in Python, Matplotlib. And the last thing is if we would like to create pitches according to and use stats from certain websites, such as OptiStats, StatsBomb, etc., we will change the pitch type to that exact site, and I will actually link the documentation of MplSoccer. Most of what I said, or all of what I said, is actually from the docs. So that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.